Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to work step by step to determine the value of x. Alright, here is the problem. We are told that arc AD is the same as arc BC. We also know that the side lengths CE is 6 and BC is 5. Also, we are given that ED makes a right angle with AC. Using only this information, we want to find the length x. Since arc AD is equal to arc BC, their corresponding chords must also be equal. So chord AD has the same length 5 as the chord BC. This tells us that C and D are positioned at the same height relative to the line AB. In other words, if we draw a horizontal line from C to D, that line will be parallel to the diagonal AB. Since arc AD equals arc BC, the corresponding inscribed angle alpha at point A and C are equal. Also, we know that if an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter, then the angle must be 90 degrees. In triangles CDE and ABC, the angles D and B are equal. Both triangles contain the angles alpha and 90 degrees. Therefore, their third angle must also be equal. We denote this common angle by beta. So the triangles are similar by side angle side criterion. And we can write the similarity ratio DE to CB equals CE to AC. Or the ratio of DE to 5 is equal to the ratio of 6 to x plus 6. If we multiply both sides by 5 and cancel out 5 from left side, we get DE as 30 over x plus 6. Now we have a right triangle ADE with hypotenuse 5 and the legs x and 30 over x plus 6. So the Pythagorean equation for the blue triangle is this equation. In other words, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now we can substitute each answer choice to see which one satisfies the Pythagorean equation. Let's start with answer choice A, where x is 2. The left side of Pythagorean equation becomes 18.06, so choice A does not work. If we choose x as 3, the left side becomes 20.11 instead of 25. So answer choice B is not acceptable either. Choice C also doesn't give the right value. It evaluates to about 19.46. So this option is incorrect as well. Now we try 4 to be x. The left side of Pythagorean equation becomes 25, which satisfies the equation. So the correct answer is D, which means the length of x is 4. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious, and I will catch you later.